What is subjectivism? Subjectivism is the theory that perception or consciousness is reality, and that there is no underlying, true reality that exists independent of perception. But it must be noted that it does not claim that all is illusion, or that there is no such thing as reality. What subjectivism is claiming is that the nature of reality is dependent on the consciousness of the individual. In an extreme form, it may hold that the nature and existence of every object depends solely on someone's subjective awareness of it. Subjectivism has its philosophical basis in the writings of René Descartes, but its extreme form is expressed most visibly in the empiricism and idealism of George Berkeley. Subjectivism is very similar to the doctrine of solipsism and is related in some ways to metaphysical relativism. And the antithesis of subjectivism is objectivism, a philosophical doctrine which holds that reality exists wholly independent of the mind. Another concept related to subjectivism is that of panpsychism, the view that all parts of matter involve mind, that everything is sentient, and that there are either many separate minds, or one single mind that unites everything that is. There are two major types of subjectivism, namely, metaphysical subjectivism and ethical subjectivism or moral subjectivism. On the one hand, metaphysical subjectivism is the idea that there is no underlying, true reality that exists independent of perception or consciousness. On the other hand, ethical subjectivism or moral subjectivism is the metaethical belief that ethical sentences reduce to factual statements about the attitudes and or conventions of individual people, or that any ethical sentence implies an attitude held by someone. It is therefore a form of moral relativism, in which the truth of moral claims is relative to the attitudes of individuals.